Okay, come on. Yeah. Come
What's the date?
on. It is the 15th. Okay, come on.
And what do you got there?
A baby robin that we found before Toonces killed. And we're nursing him back by a dropper. And
Yep.
he's enjoying it.
Is that milk?
Yep.
It's a milk-fed baby bird. Oh. So you're substituting as a robin mom, huh?
Yep. Come on, one more. Well,
Did you give it some hamburger earlier?
come on.
It's probably full. Hmm.
Okay.
He just pooped on you.
Oh, that's not the first. So thanks, Mommy. Now here's what you get. You little stinker.
Do you have a diaper for him?
Jeez, I know. No more. No, 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 no.